Hi everybody, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this wood bead photo display sign. This is a great project if you're looking for a way to display and hang up some of your favorite photos. The first thing we are going to do is paint our wood beads, and to do that we are going to put wood beads on floral wire. So you will start by stringing on the wood beads to the floral wire. You will then find some sort of box, it could even be a cardboard box. You will then take the ends of the floral wire and tuck them around the edges of the box. This will hold it all in place. Once you have all of the wood beads strung onto floral wire, you are then going to take your gray paint and you are going to start painting the wood beads. Make sure you paint in between each wood bead, getting all of the edges, all sides of the wood bead. This is going to take some time, but make sure that you completely cover each individual bead. Set aside the beads to dry completely, and then next you are going to grab your clothespins. At first I painted 4 clothespins, but I ended up only using 3, so you're actually going to need to just paint 3 clothespins instead. You're going to use that same gray paint to paint them. Next, you are going to grab some jute and a small notebook, and you are going to wrap the jute around the notebook at least 15 times. Cut the jute at the bottom of the notebook so that you can take it off the notebook. You are going to leave it folded in half. Then you're going to take another small piece of jute and wrap it around the top of the tassel. You will start by creating a knot, wrapping around the jute several times, and then tucking in the end of the jute. You will repeat all of those same steps until you have 4 tassels created. Once all of them are made, you will then place them side by side and cut them to all the same length. You want the bottom of the tassel to be about 2 to 3 inches long. Next, we are going to start stringing on our garland. And to start, you are going to put on one of the tassels, and then you are going to keep repeating this pattern where you do a tassel, 6 beads, a clothespin, 6 beads, tassel. Keep repeating that until you have used all of the tassels and clothespins. Once you finish putting on all of the clothespins and tassels, you can cut off the jute from the roll itself. You will then add 1 more bead on each end of the garland, and then to finish it off you will also tie a knot on each end after that last bead you put on. From there, you will flip the sign over, and then using glossy accents, you will adhere the jute to the back of the sign. Next, you are going to take 5x7 photos, and you're going to trim them down a bit. I trimmed mine down to 5x4. You can print 4x4 photos if you want. It's really up to you. And then lastly, you will attach the photos to the clothespins, and then your sign is ready to be hung up and displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the products needed to make this project at craftsdirect.com/projects.